Provance is a long-standing Microsoft ISV, and we specialize in delivering ITSM and IT asset management products globally. We bet our business on Power Platform and the Power Apps.
We're a local government organisation that take care of community, social care, housing within our local community. Every minute one of our internal employees takes away from their job because they've got an IT issue that they can't resolve is a minute that they're not spending with a member of the public helping them with their problems.
So Leeds approached us with a simple problem. They had a legacy BMC application that was difficult to adopt to their growing needs. Also didn't integrate fully with their existing Microsoft investments, which meant they had some technical debt as well as a lot of manual processes they needed to solve.
Provance service team is a Power Platform application built within our strategic platform. What was really impressive is the team collectively working with Provance were able to implement that in just 12 weeks with a full MVP for an ITSM replacement, which is a pace that I haven't seen before.
We couldn't have done this without the platform, the Power Platform, which Leeds City Council have chosen strategically as the platform for them to adopt and grow and scale as their business grows. I'm so excited for the future.